Do you feel the vibes?
What is up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a quick video called Will It Microwave, where we're going to be putting different things in a microwave and microwaving them for like 30 seconds probably each, and longer if nothing happens. And we'll have a camera right here, slow-mo camera, a regular camera for if it explodes pretty far distance. And we have some items lined up, so stick to the video to enjoy it. Alright guys, first item, it's a Go-Gurt. We're going to be doing 30 seconds on the microwave. So let's put it in there. Take that out real quick. Actually, we got to set it up first so it'll spin. Yeah, that'll spin now. Just put this right there, that right there. 30 seconds, and we are on go.
Explode yet?
Oh! We heard a little pop.
We're gonna have a replay on that.
Oh! We heard a little pop.
We're gonna have a
Exploded.
Whoa!
Oh shoot!
We're gonna stop it early. Oh, it's still going. It's still going. Let's get it.
Oh!
Oh, shoot. Let's get a little quick thing in here. So, it kind of fizzled out everywhere.
Yeah, so it must have popped.
It must have popped.
Alright, so we're gonna take it out. It's not too hot. And maybe a little.
On to the next item.
Which is a chip bag. So we think this might do something.
It could possibly fill up with air and start like moving. We're not sure.
So we're gonna do it for a minute.
There it goes.
Oh, and there's steam.
There it is. Yo, you're right. Oh shoot! Oh my gosh! It's steaming everywhere. Oh shoot. I don't know if I would have necessarily opened this. Oh my god.
It's done.
Oh, it's burning. It's burning. Oh man. It's all steamy in there. Oh. Alright guys, there's only one way to find out what happened. Oh, I'm scared.
It smells good.
Oh my god. Oh, wow. Quick look inside.
I see a couple chips in there.
It popped and kind of started frying the chips.
Yeah, you can
Ooh,
see
it
a couple.
smells.
Dude, you can only see the chips. It's just chips.
Oh,
The wrapping just melted around it. Dude, that's cool.
that's probably where the steam came from. Okay, so next item is the egg. Little foreshadowing, but we might know what happens. Oh! Oh, there it goes!
There it goes, guys.
Oh,
It
man.
exploded.
Whoa! Oh, shoot. We're gonna stop it early. Oh, it's still going. It's still going. Let's get it. Oh, shoot.
Egg.
I don't know, it does. It actually looks like a hard-boiled egg, but it went everywhere. Oh, shoot. Whew.
We're gonna try this for like.
On to the next item.
We're gonna do this for longer.
Yeah. So guys, that's it for this video. Please leave a like and share with your friends. And also subscribe and leave a like. And if you want us to do more of these microwave versus videos, that's the aftermath. If you want us to do more of these videos, just leave a like. If this hits like 10 likes or something, then we'll do a part 2. but I don't know if we can go any longer. No, I don't think so. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully we can get to 75 soon, and the road to 100 is getting closer and closer each day. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.